Good morning, all my fun traveler family, and welcome to Florence, Italy. We are getting ready for another adventure here on Lure of the Seas. So sit back, relax, get you a snack, and let's get ready to enjoy a boat and walking tour. We have two beautiful islands we're going to experience. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe.
I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
Before starting, I would like, allora, first, aspettate che aspettiamo. We meet here at 10:20, 20 past 10.
There you go, Trey. Want to buy a house?
No. as always, and also. And probably they imposed a tax on the number of the winters. Oh.
Guys, we are here in Florence, Italy. As you can see, we are on a tour. Tour is going pretty good. I did not walk up to the castle because of my knee, but you can if you want to. We're just exploring the little town. Everything's not quite open yet, but it's getting open. But this is a little bit of it. We're in the town square here. As you can see, got the pier back here and all these beautiful homes. They're all the beautiful colors. Learning quite a bit of the history of Florence, Italy. There's some food. It smells so good. I don't know what I'm getting. What is the front?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. How much?
250.
Yeah, 250. We'll get one. Yep, 250 she said. Yeah.
Tira fora. Oh, you're good. Is this the pasta? Oh, salami. Wow, that's beautiful.
Oh, it's a bakery. It is. Oh, look. It's a bakery. Yum, yum, yum. Very fresh.
And on the top of the terrace, this part, this is the coast of Cinque Terre, 5 villages. You cannot see the villages, but the coast. Yes. From here, 18 kilometers coast. So this is the national park of Cinque Terre. So you will see. You will see.
Okay, I've lost my husband. Where has he went? And here's the locks. All right, my fun traveler family, I hope you guys enjoyed our tours. We had a wonderful time at both islands, beautiful views, we had great pictures. It was just a really wonderful experience and we can't wait to come back. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Safe travels.
It's connected to you.